What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix text reactions not working issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all check your internet connection if it's working or not. So to check this, open a browser and then load a website and check if the website is loading perfectly or not. So if your website is not loading properly, then fix your internet connection first, and after fixing the internet connection the text reactions will start working. Now after fixing the internet, if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the messages app, then tap on this information icon and then go to the storage. Now clear the cache memory of the messages app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after clearing the cache memory the text reaction issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the text reactions not working issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.